हेलो, हेलो, नमस्कार। स्वागत है आप सभी का कला मंदिर के लाइव सेक्शन में। मैं नंदिनी पंडित आज आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ जंबो सिल्क साड़ीज़ का कलेक्शन। बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल साड़ीज़ है एंड कला मंदिर पे चल रही है पे डे सेल जिसके अंदर बाय वन साड़ी एंड गेट वन साड़ी एब्सोल्युटली फ्री। ये साड़ीज़ में आप सेकंड साड़ी जो खरीदेंगे वो सेम प्राइसिंग में होनी चाहिए एंड आप इसी लाइव शो भी खरीद सकते हैं एंड हमारी वेबसाइट से भी खरीद सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं इस ब्यूटीफुल सी ड्रेप से। कलर कॉम्बिनेशन की बात करेंगे, यू कैन सी डार्क ब्लू कलर साड़ी with beautiful yellowish border. Body के अंदर you can see small floral motifs with birds and floral figures. And this is the border we have in the contrast shade with florals and leafy patterns. This is the pallu we have, very beautiful contrast shade pallu. Zari weavings of florals and tassels. ब्लाउज की बात करेंगे, contrast shade में आपको ब्लाउज मिलेगा. प्राइसिंग एंड डिटेल्स देखेंगे. The item code is OK49 and the offer price is 3,100 only. Looking next in the sari. Next is this beautiful dark pink color sari. Small booties all over the body. Talking about the border, you can see beautiful floral motifs. This is the pallu we have. Beautiful curry lines and small booties all over the pallu. Let's have a look at the blouse. This is the blouse we have with booties and border of motifs of zari. Pricing and details देखेंगे. The item code is OK45 and the offer price is 2,200 only. Next is this violet color sari. You can see beautiful motifs of floral in the body. And nearby border, you can see dual peacock motifs and leafy patterns. Border की बात करेंगे, पैठानी border आपको देखने के लिए मिलेगा. Talking about the pallu, you can see beautiful swan and leafy patterns. साड़ी के ब्लाउज की बात करेंगे, contrast lime yellow shade में आपको ब्लाउज मिलेगा with small booties. Pricing and details देखेंगे. The item code is OK53 and the offer price is 3,000 only. Let's have a look at the next Sundar sari of this very beautiful collection. Next is this pretty olive green color. You can see amazing motifs of florals and bird pattern made up of zari. In the contrast shade, we have border with florals and leafy patterns along with birds. This is the pallu we have in the light shade with geometrical pattern jal and florals along with the tassels. Let's have a look at the blouse. This is the blouse we have, plain blouse with border आपको मिलेगा. Pricing and details देखेंगे. The item code is OK39 and the offer price is 3,100 only. For more collection, you can visit our offline stores that are present in 3 states, that is Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. Please do visit your nearby stores and explore the amazing collection we have, and we provide free shipping all over India on all our orders. Next sari देखेंगे. Next is this beautiful purple color sari with multicolor florals and birds all over the body. Zari and मीनाकारी weaving से आपको weave किए गए ये सब देखने के लिए मिलेंगे. And this is the border we have with beautiful bordered designs of florals and geometrical patterns. This is a pallu we have. Geometrical jal, print, multiple color florals and leafy patterns. This is the blouse we have with beautiful small floral booties. Let's have a look at the pricing and details of this amazing sari. The item code is OK52 and the offer price is 3,500 only. Let's have a look at the next on the sari. Next is this red color sari with booties and birds all over the body. Nearby border, you can see birds motifs. And this is the pallu we have in the floral jal pattern. Talking about the blouse is in the same color with small booties and border. Pricing and details देखेंगे हमारी इस beautiful सी साड़ी का. The item code is OK51 and the offer price is 2,800 only. Very beautiful sarees, amazing designs and color combination हमारे इस amazing सी collection में है. Silk की sarees है, beautiful fabric है. Next is the same साड़ी हमने जो देखी उसका different pattern and different color है with small floral booties all over the body. This is the border we have with floral motifs and leafy patterns. And this is the pallu we have, curved lines over the pallu and small booty. This is the blouse we have with small booties and border. Pricing and details देखेंगे. The item code is OK58 and the offer price is 2,200 only. You can, if you have any query regarding any sari, you can take a screenshot of that sari and send us on our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. We will resolve all your queries. देखते हैं next सुंदर साड़ी. Next is this very pretty violet color sari. Heavy zari weavings आपको पूरी body में मिलेगी, जो कि checks pattern and small booties of peacock के अंदर देखने के लिए मिलेगी. You can see beautiful border जिसमें आपको geometrical patterns and small booties of bird pattern आपको देखने के लिए मिलेंगे. And this is the pallu we have, curly lines along with small booties. This is the blouse of a sari. You can see small floral booties all over the blouse. Pricing and details देखेंगे. The item code is OK50 and the offer price is 4,099 only. I hope आपको हमारा कलेक्शन पसंद आ रहा होगा. ब्यूटीफुल जम्बो सिल्क साड़ीज का कलेक्शंस है एंड इस कलर कॉम्बिनेशन साड़ी कोई भी पसंद आए, प्लीज डू लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. वी वुड लव टू हियर फ्रॉम यू. This is the next saree we have in the olive green color shade with small booties of florals. Border की बात करेंगे, you can see floral motif all over the border. This is the pallu we have, curly lines along with small booties. Blouse की बात करेंगे, this is the blouse we have in the same shade with border and small booties. Pricing and details देखेंगे. The item code is OK57 and the offer price is 2,200 only. Let's have a look at the next Shanda sari of this very Shanda collection. बहुत ही प्यारा डार्क ब्लू कलर है एंड इसमें मल्टी कलर की बूटीज आपको पूरी बॉडी में मिलेगी. This is the border we have, जिसमें आपको डुअल कलर फ्लोरल की मीनाकारी वीविंग्स एंड जरी की वीविंग्स में zigzag पैटर्न्स एंड फ्लोरल्स मिलेंगे. This is the pallu we have, curly lines on the pallu along with small booties. Talking about the blouse, this is the blouse we have with small booties and border. Pricing and details देखेंगे. The item code is OK44 and the offer price is 2,200 only. As you all know, Kala Mandir is running payday sale जिसके अंदर buy one saree and get one saree absolutely free. And second saree आप हमारे same live से भी shop कर सकते हैं या फिर हमारी website से भी shop कर सकते हैं. देखते हैं next सुंदर color. Mustard color saree, beautiful silk fabric all over the body and small booties formed by zari. This is the border we have. You can see beautiful bird motif all over the border. Talking about the pallu, you can see floral jal all over the pallu. Let's have a look at the blouse of our sari. This is the blouse we have with small booties and amazing border. Pricing and details देखेंगे. The item code is OK42 and the offer price is 2,800 only. Means if you buy one sari and get one free, then one sari is absolutely for 1,400, just 1,400. जल्दी से जाइए, ये डील मिस मत कीजिए. फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिलीज के साथ भी शेयर कीजिए कि वो भी ब्यूटीफुल सारी शॉप कर सके. Next is this very pretty olive green color. You can see multicolor florals and zari weavings and bird figures in the body. This is the border we have, amazing border. Silver zari weaved geometrical patterns. This is the pallu we have, geometrical jal and beautiful multicolor florals. Talking about the blouse, same color shade में blouse मिलेगा with small booties of florals. Pricing and details देखेंगे. The item code is OK41 and the offer price is 3,500 only. Let's have a look at the next Sundar sari of this very amazing collection. बहुत ही प्यारा ऑफ वाइट एंड रेड का कॉम्बिनेशन है. यू कैन सी फ्लोरल जाल ऑल ओवर द बॉडी. This is the border we have. You can see branching pattern florals and leafy designs all over the border. Talking about the pallu, you can see same color pallu with floral jals and leafy patterns. And blouse हमारा contrast shade में मिलेगा with an amazing border. You can see small booties and border. Pricing and details देखेंगे. The item code is OK40 and the offer price is 3,000 only. Let's have a look at the next in the sari of this collection. Next is the steel color sari with Paithani border. You can see beautiful booty in the body. Nearby border, you can see dual swan pattern with leafy designs. And this is the border we have, Paithani border. Talking about the pallu, you can see very amazing pallu, again bird figures and leafy patterns. This is the contrast pink shade blouse we have with small booties and border. Pricing and details देखेंगे हमारी सुंदर सी साड़ी का. The item code is OK55 and the offer price is 3,000 only. We also provide video call and group video call facility on our WhatsApp number that is 9852985299 जहाँ वीडियो कॉल करके डिटेल में अपनी साड़ी देख सकते हैं एंड ग्रुप वीडियो कॉल भी कर सकते हैं अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ मिलकर एंड अपनी ब्यूटीफुल साड़ी शॉप कर सकते हैं. देखेंगे नेक्स्ट सुंदर साड़ी. Next is this violet color sari with small floral booties all over the body. Border की बात करेंगे, you can see motifs of florals all over the border. This is the pallu we have, kadi lines along with small booties on the pallu. Blouse is in the same color with small booties and floral border. Pricing and details देखेंगे. The item code is OK40 and the offer price is 2,200 only. Let's have a look at the next on the sari of this very amazing collection. Next is this orange color sari with multicolor florals. Beautiful body we have. You can see swans, florals, lotus and leafy patterns. And this is the border we have. You can see zari weavings all over the border. Talking about the pallu, you can see very beautiful, graceful pallu with floral charls and colorful patterns. This is the blouse we have with small booties and border. Pricing and details देखेंगे. The item code is OK47 and the offer price is 3,500 only. You can also check out our website that is www.kalamandir.com. वहाँ पे आपको different offers मिल जाएंगे. Pricing details, color combination and various varieties of fabric की sarees मिल जाएगी. तो जल्दी से चाहिए एक बार हमारी वेबसाइट चेकआउट कीजिए और अपनी फेवरेट sarees को शॉप कीजिए. बढ़ेंगे नेक्स्ट सुंदर साड़ी की तरफ. Next is this magenta color sari. Very beautiful, graceful color we have with small booties all over the body in the colorful meenakari weavings. This is the border we have in geometrical patterns, leafy branches and beautiful floral motifs. This is the pallu we have, curly lines. And this is the blouse of our sari in the same color with booties and border. Pricing and details देखेंगे हमारी सुंदर सी साड़ी का. The item code is OK46 and the offer price is 2,200 only. Very beautiful sarees at an amazing price and absolutely offer चल रहा है तो आपको इस ऑफर का पूरा फायदा उठाना चाहिए. देखते हैं नेक्स्ट सुंदर साड़ी. Next भी बहुत ही प्यारा कलर है, डार्क ब्लू कलर. These colors are very royal and that gives you, amazing look when you wear these sarees with traditional touch. You can see small booties in the body. This is the border we have with the beautiful pan ke patte ka motif and leafy pattern. This is the pallu we have. Curly lines all over the pallu, you can see. Let's have a look at the blouse. This is the blouse we have with small booties and border with motifs. Pricing and details देखेंगे हमारी इस amazing सी साड़ी का. The item code is OK59 and the offer price is 2,200 only. Let's have a look at the next on the sari of our very amazing jumbo silk sarees collection. You can see pretty yellow color with beautiful colorful motifs. Talking about the border, you can see zari weaving border with the triangular patterns, branches, and motifs of dual color florals. This is the pallu we have. Curry lines all over the pallu with small booties. Let's have a look at the blouse. This is the blouse we have in the same shade with small booties and border of zari and colorful motifs. Pricing and details देखेंगे. The item code is OK56 and the offer price is 2200 only. किसी भी साड़ी को लेके कोई भी क्यूरी है तो प्लीज टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ द साड़ी एंड सेंड अस ऑन आवर व्हाट्सएप नंबर दैट इज 9852985299 and we will resolve all your queries and we provide free shipping all over India on all our orders. Let's have a look at the very amazing sari. डार्क मरून कलर का साड़ी है, लाइट शेड कॉन्ट्रास्ट में आपको बॉर्डर मिलेगा. बॉडी के ऊपर ब्यूटीफुल मोटिव ऑफ फ्लोरल्स एंड बर्ड फिगर यू कैन सी. This is the contrast border we have. You can see leafy patterns and floral jal. This is the pallu of our sari, geometrical jal and floral designs all over the pallu. Let's have a look at the blouse. This is the blouse we have with border. Pricing and details देखेंगे. The item code is OK38 and the offer price is 3100 only. Let's have a look at the next on the sari of this amazing collection. Next is the sea green color sari with beautiful body. You can see छोटे-छोटे floral की बूटी पूरी body के अंदर. And this is the border we have with bird figure motif. Talking about the pallu, you can see floral jal all over the pallu. Let's have a look at the blouse. This is the blouse we have with booties and border. Sizing and details देखेंगे. The item code is OK48 and the offer price is 2800 only. Let's move on to the next in the sari of this absolutely amazing collection. बहुत ही प्यारा सा collection है हमारा जंबो सिल्क साड़ीज का. इस साड़ी की बात करेंगे. You can see mustard color combination in the body with multicolor florals, swan patterns, lotus and butterflies. This is the border we have with zari weavings of silver. Talking about the pallu, you can see very amazing colorful pallu with floral jal made up of zari. Let's have a look at the blouse. You can see small booties all over the blouse. Pricing and details देखेंगे. The item code is OK43 and the offer price is 3500 only. As you all know, कला मंदिर पे चल रही है पेडे सेल जिसके अंदर बाय वन साड़ी गेट वन साड़ी एब्सोल्युटली फ्री. सेकंड साड़ी जो है आप सेम वैल्यू के अंदर इसी लाइव से भी शॉप कर सकते हैं, हमारी वेबसाइट से भी शॉप कर सकते हैं. देखते हैं नेक्स्ट इन द साड़ी. बहुत ही प्यारा डार्क पर्पल कलर है ये, आपको देखने के लिए मिलेगा. यू कैन सी ब्यूटिफुल बूटीज ऑल ओवर द बॉर्डर. And nearby border, you can see beautiful motif in the pattern of leaf and branches. This is the pallu we have. Curry lines all over the pallu with small booties. Let's have a look at the blouse. This is the blouse we have with small booties and border. Pricing and details देखेंगे. The item code is OK61 and the offer price is 2200 only. अब देखेंगे हमारा मैनिक्विन. Very beautiful red color sari you can see. In the body you can see small floral booty leafy pattern के साथ में. This is the border we have, Pethani border you can see. Talking about the blouse, you can see contrast green color shade blouse with beautiful border. The item code is OK54 and the offer price is 3000 only. तो ये था हमारा अमेजिंग सा जम्बू सिल्क साड़ीज का कलेक्शन. आई होप आपको हमारा कलेक्शन पसंद आया होगा. कोई भी साड़ी को लेके कोई भी क्यूरी है या किसी पूरे लाइव में से किसी भी चीज़ को लेके कोई भी क्यूरी है, यू कैन कॉन्टेक्ट अस ऑन आवर व्हाट्सएप नंबर दैट इज 9852985299. तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लाइव के अंदर. धन्यवाद.